Well, today I'm unboxing my Ulanzi ST-03 ST-03. It's a bracket. It's a cell phone bracket with a cold shoe mount. It goes on top of a tripod. Oh, there's a picture. Hidden cold shoe mount. All right, so let's open the box and see what we got. I can tell you already, it feels pretty sturdy. Made out of metal. It doesn't feel like it's plastic. Good heavy duty foam insulation. Okay. So there's the cell phone mount. I'm going to try to mount it up and see what happens. All right, so here's the Ulanzi ST-03 mounted on top of my Fugatech tripod, little tabletop tripod. And I'm going to put a link in the description for both of these items. If you want to pick those up from Amazon, you just click the link and it'll take you right to them. Man, I'm kind of digging on this this phone mount. It's very cool, very well constructed. It's all metal. It opens up to hold an iPhone 8, you know, 8 Plus, bigger phones like that. I had my phone mounted in it earlier, and obviously can't do that and shoot video at the same time. But look, that gets way on out there. So you shouldn't have any problem with whatever kind of phone you have. But these little fold out, these little pads, very well made. Like I said, it's all metal design. I was worried about this thing's it's not expensive, so I was worried about it being cheap. But the difference between cheap and inexpensive is inexpensive still is a good product. It just works well, and cheap is just, you know, it's inexpensive, but it is made with garbage too. So, but this is inexpensive, but definitely not cheap. This is well made, well constructed. The little shoe mount is right there. You see those little brackets? You just slide your cold shoe under those little overhangs there, and then you tighten it down, and there's your cold shoe mount. So very cool, very well made, good design. I think it's going to work well. So like I said, if you want to check these things out, I'm going to put a link in the description. Go and pick yourself one up. Thanks for watching.